We're going to be going over the differences between Chat GPT and Perplexity. So yeah, let's get into it. So here's a quick overview of what we're going to be looking at today. So we're going to look at an introduction, then an intro to Chat GPT, an intro to Perplexity, a video, and then a live demo in the breakout rooms. So here's the introduction. What's ChatGPT? ChatGPT is an advanced AI chatbot developed by OpenAI that generates human-like text based on your input prompts. It uses state-of-the-art language models, GPT-4, O1, and O3 to understand and generate human-like text, from answering questions to creative writing, content generation, and even problem solving. ChatGPT is designed to assist with a wide range of tasks. And by the way, state of the art means it's like one of the best. Yeah. Why do people use ChatGPT? Firstly, it boosts productivity. ChatGPT provides quick, on-demand responses to your queries, helping you draft content, brainstorm ideas, and solve problems faster. Yet, it's being used in like all sorts of professions, from like teachers to software engineers. So yeah, it also enhances creativity. So whether you're writing a story, crafting a marketing message, or seeking fresh ideas, ChatGPT offers creative suggestions that can spark inspiration. I personally disagree with this because ChatGPT's ideas usually aren't the best, like when it comes to like school projects or something like that. So, but it could be useful to some people. And then it also has versatile applications, meaning it's ideal for a huge range of tasks, from answering everyday questions in customer support, in-depth research, and creating creative writing and personalized tutoring for a subject you don't understand. Okay. What is Perplexity AI? Perplexity AI is a powerful search assistant that combines natural language processing and artificial intelligence to help users find accurate and up-to-date information online. It uses advanced machine learning and AI algorithms to understand the context of your question. It connects you to a range of reliable sources and summarizes the information. It provides citations and links to ensure transparency and accuracy, which I think is the best part of Perplexity. It's the citations and links you can actually click, because ChatGPT usually just like, it might include some links, but a lot of the time they're actually like completely random and have nothing to do with the subject. And also, finally, it's great for students, researchers, and anyone needing quick and reliable answers. And also, a fun fact I wanted to share is that Perplexities actually, like, they actually use ChatGPT, but it's like fine tuned to be like perfect for like searching. So Perplexity was meant to be like an alternative to Google, while ChatGPT is more like for everyday use. And yeah. So how does Perplexity AI work? It first breaks down your question into keywords and concepts using AI. It searches sorry. It searches a wide range of online resources, including reputable websites, academic papers, and more. It analyzes and compiles the best information and delivers it in a concise, easy to read summary. It offers follow-up questions and related topics to help you dive deeper. It provides links to sources so you can verify the information or read further. So the third and fourth points, you can you'll see this in the live demo. Like, you can basically actually see the model like search, and like you can see its thought process on how it's like, doing its searching, which is actually pretty useful. So here's ChatGPT in action. So first, it has resume assistance. ChatGPT can help you easily make your resume job descriptions more professional and save you time by outlining a job description for you. So, for example, this user, they in the first prompt you can see they're applying to a loss prevention team. And yeah, so basically you're displaying how, like, you're using AI to tailor your resume for specific jobs, which can be like really useful if you're, looking for a job. But okay. There's also personalized tutoring. So it's never too late to learn something new. ChatGPT can act as your personal tutor for any subject that you're interested in and will allow you to ask as many questions as you can think of until you understand the material. A good practice I'd like to recommend is saying like, explain blank concept if I'm like a 5-year-old or a teenager, like something like that. And if you do that, it's gonna basically explain any concept in like very, very easy to understand words, which can be really useful if you're struggling to understand something. And also, there's a small mistake. It says ask as many questions as you can. That's actually not true. If you have the free model, it will like cut you off after like, I'm not too sure the exact amount, but it eventually cuts you off. But you could always just create a new chat. So yeah. It can also help you with career fair assistance. ChatGPT gives great advice and can help outline important speeches like elevator pitches that are tailored to you. There's also cooking suggestions. So you can find easy cooking recipes and instructions for new foods you may want to try. Personally, I'd use Perplexity for this because it'll actually pull from real sources and not just like try to create its own. So yeah. And there's also easy and efficient language translation. So ChatGPT is multilingual, meaning it can translate text between multiple languages quickly and accurately. And I've never personally tried this, but I'm pretty sure it's available. Okay. It can also help with creative writing. You can ask ChatGPT to generate a short story idea, develop characters, or even write a snippet of dialogue for you. I personally would not like trust this a lot because ChatGPT is trained on other stories, so you're basically not really getting a new story. It's more likely like a jumbled up version of pre-existing stories. But yeah. Technology guidance and troubleshooting. ChatGPT can help you troubleshoot any problems you're having with a piece of technology. It's worthwhile to explain the problem to ChatGPT and ask for help. So you can like, if you get any like error messages and anything, you can copy that and send it to ChatGPT. And what it will do, it most likely someone else has also faced the same errors. So ChatGPT will basically tell you what worked for them, and hopefully it works for you. So here's Perplexity in action. Benefits of using Perplexity AI includes getting answers faster and with greater accuracy than traditional search engines. And traditional search engines refer to Google, Bing, or stuff like that. It also saves time by providing concise summaries rather than endless pages of links. It also offers citations for every piece of information so you can trust the results. It encourages deep learning through follow-up questions and suggestions, and it supports a wide variety of topics from general knowledge to in-depth research. Okay, so here's some key features and tools. You can get summarized answers from multiple reputable sources. You can ask Perplexity gives you follow-up question suggestions to guide further exploration. Citations and links to full source material for verification. Natural language search that understands how you phrase questions. user-friendly interface that works seamlessly on desktops, laptops, and mobile devices. You can also bookmark or save answers for future reference. Dark mode and accessibility features for comfortable use in any setting. And yeah, as I said before, the first bullet point, this reputable sources, that's like the biggest advantage of Perplexity and practically the reason it was created. So here's how to get started. Simply visit perplexity.ai and explore the homepage. You can sign up for a free account to save your search history and preferences, but that's not required. You can enter a question or phrase in the search bar using natural language. Natural language refers to everyday language. You can review summarized answers and use citation links to dive deeper. You can use follow-up questions to refine your results and learn more. So this is what the website looks like. So here's some tips for effective searching. This is actually called prompt engineering. And basically, if you like reword your prompt in particular ways, you could get far better results. So first, you want to frame your question clearly and avoid overly broad terms. You want to use natural language like what is or how to for best results. You should also try follow-up questions or suggested prompts to get more detailed answers. You want to save helpful results for easy reference in the future. You want to always check citations to ensure accuracy and to find the original sources. You want to combine keywords or phrases using quotes for exact matches or refine using filters. So, yeah. Here's some more advanced search techniques. So, use quotes to search for exact phrases and narrow down results. Add multiple keywords for precise results. So, keywords refer to like words that are related to your search. So you could add more like descriptive words or more adjectives to describe like your question. You can explore follow-up questions for deeper learning and related topics. You can use the sources button to verify information, read the original sources. You can compare multiple summaries to get balanced viewpoints and understand different perspectives. You can use bookmarks or notes to keep track of important answers. Oh, yeah. So yeah, here's some screenshots. Like you on the left screenshot, there's some view access. Like you can share your like chat with other people. And then the right box shows you like there's different like basically versions of Perplexity that are tailored for different needs. So like you would use academic if you're trying to, research, but you would use social if it's like something, I guess, yeah, social. And then here's some common use cases. So first we have research projects, then we have fact checking. This one's really important because Chat GPT, as I said before, hallucinates and gives you information that isn't true. But Perplexity does a really good job like verifying actual news and current events. And then it can help with travel planning. So you can get local insights, recommendations, and safety tips. It also helps with health topics and technology and trends. And for the health topics, I wouldn't recommend using it as like your only like doctor. You should obviously still go to a professional for health related questions. Here's some comparisons with other search engines. So Perplexity AI summarizes with citations, follow-up questions, and natural language support for interactive searching. Google/Bing lists links and ads and requires sifting through multiple websites for answers. So a thing a lot of people don't know is that Google, like you can basically pay Google to make your website like one of the top search results. So your like information might not be the most accurate, but it can still be the top result, which can be misleading to some. And then DuckDuckGo is a privacy-focused one, but it doesn't have any advanced summaries or AI-supported follow-ups. Wolfram Alpha is focused on structured data and mathematical queries, but may lack broad explanations. Yeah, I wouldn't recommend anyone use Wolfram Alpha. It's mostly for mathematicians. Chat GPT has interactive AI responses, but may not always provide direct links or citations. Thank you. If you'd like to learn this lesson with the Cyber Seniors mentor, please go to www.cyberseniors.org or call 1-844-217-3057 to register for a one-on-one phone session. We also host weekly tech drop-in sessions from 2 to 3 p.m. Eastern Time on Thursdays.